Okay guys, we are now going to start repotting the Chinese elm that you picked the other day. Now the first step and the most important step to repotting your bonsai is to get yourself a cup of coffee or tea and just admire the tree, just take it in for a little bit. And I have learnt this from Lloyd and have realised that this is definitely not just the best but the most crucial part of repotting your bonsai. Now we've done the most crucial step, we are going to start working the root ball out of the pot. So spatula, scraper, root rake tool is really good for this. This one has come out quite easily. You can also see how root bound it is. So definitely one that needed a repot. You're then going to grab your chopstick and start teasing out around the sides. If you've got a Chinese elm like this one, you can be a little bit more ruthless with the roots. Obviously still tease them out carefully, but if you damage some or cut a bit more off, it doesn't matter too much. Now I'm going to move on to the bottom. Right, look at all that. So the roots are looking incredibly healthy. Do a bit more on the side. Once you've started to get these really long roots coming down, that is when you can start to do a little bit of root pruning. This is the bit you do want to be careful of, particularly if you have got a more fragile bonsai such as the tea tree. Certain varieties you do need to take a bit more care with when you're root pruning. Anything that's long and straggly can be pruned back, particularly on the Chinese elm. Okay, so it's looking nice now. Right, next step is picking the pot. Right guys, I have picked out 4 different pots which I think the bonsai would look nice in. You need to let me know in the comments which one of the 4 you think you prefer. Right, so this is the first one. So it will come up, sit about there. Number 2, so similar pot but just different colour. Again, it will sit up here. Number 3. Right, there you go, those are your 4 options. So go to the comments, reply quickly so I can get him potted up, and let me know which pot is your favourite. We have a winner. It is number 3, the green oval pot, which was probably my choice as well. So let's get him potted. So I have prepped the pot, got the wire, the bonsai mesh, my holes. Then we're just going to sprinkle some soil. Again, I'm using peat-free compost and akadama. So we're just going to loosely tighten the wire. And now it's time to work in the soil around. Make sure you've got your bonsai in the right position before you do this. And you want the top of the tree sitting up nice and straight. Okay, now I'm just going to finish up tightening the wire. I've teased it all in. So it is in the right position. And there we go. The only thing left to do now is to give it a good water, make sure the water comes out the holes below, and I'm going to give the trunk a bit of a scrub as well. Clean that up nicely. But there you go guys. Looking lovely in its new pot.